This guide will walk you through the steps of adding a new user to your drlegalprocess.com account. Access your profile page by clicking on the My Profile button in the upper right-hand corner. Access user settings by clicking on the User Settings button. Create a new user by clicking on the Create New User button. Enter the user's first name. Enter the user's last name. If the user is an attorney, click the Attorney checkbox. And enter the attorney's bar number. If your state does not have bar numbers, enter a 0. Choose the user's role. Administrator has access to everything, including updating the payment on file. Staff will not be able to update the payment on file. Enter the user's password, or a temporary password, that they can edit later, by logging into their account, and following this guide. Enter the user's password or temporary password again. To confirm you typed it correctly the first time, they must match. Enter the user's phone number and extension if they have one. Add their email address next. Choose their time zone. Adjust the user's needs regarding what cases and orders are shown to them, how far back the cases and order will automatically populate when searching, and how many will show on the page at one time. Choose if notifications should be sent to this user. If you uncheck the box, they will not receive any statuses regarding their orders, and will have to log in to see anything. Click Save to finish adding your new user to the account. They will need to click the link in the email that was just sent to them to activate their account. Make sure the new user clicks the link in the email that was just sent to them to activate their account. Thank you for learning how to add another user to your account in your D&R Legal Process Service, LLC account. Please access your account through our website at drlegalprocess.com.